Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So we've tried to break out a couple times higher in Bitcoin. The key levels is 6,500. That's what you're watching for from the upside. I've put the GAN levels on there. I can remove this trend line now. And our GAN levels from the projection of the low back on the 11th to the most recent high, we've paused enough to let that sink in. So if we get a close above 6,500, we're watching for 6,519 to 6,521, then 6,536 are the next minor levels higher. And that's, again, not getting into bullish mode until we can get above that 6,500. If we get down, drop down below 64.28, then I'll be watching for a return to 63.81, and the lower levels are still the same. Let's check in on the daily chart. Still, I'm pretty much ignoring the rotation zones right now because it's flat on the daily chart. Also, what's interesting is that 65.19, 65.21, that's where the flattening out 50 is. I'm not going to ignore that one. So on any rally, that's going to be a very key area to at least raise your stops. Other than that, just waiting for it to get out of this range, either for the bullish case above 6,500 or for the bearish case starting to get down below 64.28 again. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum's still caught in its same range, trying to break down a bit, closing at this 209.84 level. We're going to have to see. It's making some lower highs now. You see we made this key high, the next one on the 11th lower high, then the most recent one so far on the 13th was a lower high. We haven't made a new lower low though, but it's sort of drifting lower. So I'm going to see major resistance now coming in at about 212. I'm going to watch for this next push gets. If it does continue to break down, we have now the flat 200 right at this 207, so that's going to be key support. We get through there 204.77, and if we get through there 205.52. Same level, see upside, the major cluster area we'll be watching if we can get any kind of rally on and above this key resistance still around this 215 level. Then we'll be watching for major level around 218. Let's check in on the daily chart. Daily chart, we're flirting with closing below the rotation zone. So if we close below about this 210 level, not good for Ethereum. Then I'll start really watching for those bigger pullbacks. Try to rotation up. Selling keeps coming in. Watch where this closes today. It's not as bearish if we close within the rotation zone, but if we close below it, it's not a good sign for Ethereum for immediately higher prices. So what we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.